We take for granted that people know how to read and write today. But centuries ago, the literacy rates were very low, and that's the same time that family names were coming into being. So it's only natural that a family name might be spelled in various different ways. Our program has a feature that will allow you to edit a variant name into the history. I'm typing in a name, Nemes. That's a variant file. And you know it's a variant file because this letter V appears over here. On this section of our list of names, there's several that have a V next to it. What that V indicates is that this is a variant spelling. So let's say Mr. Nemes wants a celebration scroll. We're going to go ahead and double click on the name. It appears down here. We're making a product, so you're going to click on the Products button. Under Category, you're going to click Family Name History. Under Product, you'll click Celebration, making sure your 1400 background color is selected. You're going to click on Print. We're asking you if you want to spend ticks, and you'll say yes. And this is the screen where you'll be able to edit the variant spelling of N-E-M-E-S. Now, Nemes, N-E-M-E-S, is a variant of the English family name Nemes with I-S at the end. The only difference between the names is the E-S and the I-S. So the meaning of the name is exactly the same, and that's what the first paragraph deals with. To change the name N-E-M-I-S to your customer's name, which is spelled N-E-M-E-S, go down to these buttons on the bottom here. When you want your customer's name, N-E-M-E-S, to appear, you'll click on Variant. So in this first instance, the English family name Nemis, I-S, you want that to be E-S. Now watch what happens when I click this Variant button. This Nemes highlighted name will move to the next instance that appears in the history, and the N-E-M-I-S will be changed to N-E-M-E-S. Click on the variant, and you can see how it's jumped down to the next instance. So our first sentence now reads correctly, the English family name N-E-M-E-S. The next time it appears, with regard to the family name, and I'm reading directly from the text, with regard to the family name N-E-M-I-S, we want that to be the variant or customer's name. So I've clicked on the variant button to change that to N-E-M-E-S. The last sentence in the first paragraph is almost always something like this. The variance of the surname N-E-M-I-S includes a list of names. So you'll want to have this read, the variance of the surname N-E-M-E-S, or your customer's name. So change that to the variant. And then, of course, N-E-M-E-S would not be a variant of itself, so this name actually needs to be back to what we call the base name, or N-E-M-I-S. So click on base name. Now here's what I'd like to caution you. On the second paragraph, these are actual people. This is Sarah Nemes, wife of Thomas Deneen, and it's N-E-M-E-S. Sarah wouldn't like it if you changed her name. So you're at this point, you're done, and you click on Continue. And now you can proceed ahead as you're printing a celebration scroll. You're going to click Print, verify the spelling on the top name, top banner, click OK, click OK for the country bottom banner, and again, always check your properties and make sure you've selected the right product. Click OK, and then OK again, and you've now printed a variant file.